Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to restore the trim on your car. Your unpainted plastic can dull turn from black to kind of like a gray like it is now. I'm going to show you how to revitalize it and bring it back to life really easy. First off, you want to make sure it's clean. You can use pretty much any cleaner as long as it does not have any wax in it. Just give it a good once over. Make sure it's free of any dirt, debris, things like that, and make sure it's fully dry before you proceed to step 2. It didn't look that dirty, but look at all that dirt that was on there. Ew. Next up, grab yourself a heat gun. These can get up to 1500 degrees. A normal hair dryer will not work, but you can get these for like $15 on Amazon. I'll put a link below. Turn it on and just hold it about 2 inches away from your actual trim. And as you can see, it'll start turning black after a few seconds. It's almost like you're repainting it. All right, next is get yourself some of this stuff. This is the best stuff that I have found that works. I'll put a link below to where you can purchase it on Amazon. I've used this on my Toyota Tundra and Toyota Tacoma back in the day. It's guaranteed for 200 washes, and it comes with the wipes already pre-saturated, so you just have to get some gloves and do some passes on the trim, and that's all there is to it. I just go slow and overlapping fashion. Just follow the instructions. You don't want to do it in direct sunlight. Super easy, but make sure you wear gloves because this stuff is stinky. Actually, it smells kind of good, but it's probably not good for you to breathe in or touch. All right, we are all finished. As you can see, it came out just gorgeous. Honestly, you don't need to use the heat gun. The wipes work really well on their own, but I would highly recommend it. I notice it lasts just a lot longer if you use the heat gun first. Here is what the bumper kind of used to look like. The color, kind of like just an ugly gray. Now it's back to showroom black. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's quick tutorial on how to restore or revive your car's trim. It came out really, really awesome. Please let me know in the comments below if you give this a try and how it turns out. Again, I'll put links below to where you can purchase the heat gun or ceramic coat on Amazon. Hope to see you in the next video.